Hello Abacus users, what's up? In today's video, I would like to show you how to save an animation on Abacus. Have you ever wondered what these animations are and how to save them? First of all, you click on animation as you already do for this animation to pop up for you and see the beauty of it, and yet you want to save it. In order to do so, you click on animate and then the last button it says save as. You click on that, you try to name the file and then try to save it in a location. When you're satisfied, you click OK. The formatting AVI is good enough. And then you click your viewport selection. And if you're satisfied with that, set it OK. The frame rate, you can change it. And lastly, you click OK. After a while, compute some information and then it's now being saved. You go to your folder and then you see the animation have been saved just here. You double click and you see the beauty of animation just being saved for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.